My name is Daniel La Torre, and I am a adventure coach at the Headlands Coastal Lodge and Spa. Pacific City is a very special place to adventure. It's like a giant playground to me where I can go hiking or kayaking or surfing, big views, beautiful sceneries, blue water, big trees. It's an overall beautiful place to go exploring. Flat tire biking is unique because you get to ride on the beach, exposed to wildlife firsthand, and allows you to experience some amazing locations. It's a full-service adventure from start to finish. My goal as an adventure coach is to give the guests the best experience possible when adventuring outside. I try to make things fun and easy and user-friendly. I want to make just a fun overall experience for people who decide to adventure with us. Headlands Adventures are not only outside, but we also bring the adventure indoors. Mixology classes, culinary classes, yoga classes, and so many more adventures. Why now? Why not now? Get outdoors, come adventure with us. We'll show you an amazing time.